I'm Hayden from DisinfecTec, Brisbane's premier sanitising treatment service. DisinfecTec's unique service combines industry-leading disinfectants with cutting-edge application technology to provide a safe, cost-efficient and professional sanitising treatment for our customers. We offer one-off or subscription-based treatments that can be tailored to suit any budgetary needs, whether it be protection for your family at home, your staff and customers at work, or guests at your event, we've got you covered. DisinfecTec uses state-of-the-art cordless electrostatic sprayers, the gold standard in disinfection and decontamination across the planet. This technology disperses the product with positively charged particles which become attracted to the negatively charged surfaces. This means a more targeted approach and even coverage. Up to 65% less disinfectant is needed and the application time can be up to 70% faster. We also use an industry-leading antimicrobial surface sanitizer that kills 99.99% of bacteria, viruses and fungi. It forms an antimicrobial bond to surfaces that will protect your space for up to 30 days without reapplication. When the product dries, it creates a microscopic layer of spike-like prisms that kills bacteria and viruses on impact. It's colourless, odourless, bleach and alcohol-free, and safe for everyone in the family, including pets. I created DisinfecTec with the sole purpose of providing a professional, cost-effective, long-lasting treatment service accessible to everyone. We're a specialist company that focuses only on the advancement of our service and the satisfaction of our clients. Here at DisinfecTec, providing a sanitising treatment service isn't just part of what we do, it's everything we do.